everyone. Happy 2023. Have you checked out my day one video, my day one haul? This is just a really quick preview of that last video. If you haven't seen it, go ahead over and check it out after you watch this one. So yeah, this is just a little quick recap of that video. So if you haven't seen the whole video, the full video, I'll leave a link at the top, so you can just click on one of those iCards and it'll take you straight to the video. But watch that video after you watch this one. All right, y'all. Okay, yeah, I'm getting ready to go to Bath and Body Works. It's actually really late. They're getting ready to close in like an hour. I decided to just run up here real quick, see what they have. And mind you, Bath and Body Works is not close to me at all. So I decided to just run up here real quick to see what they have. I'm almost here actually. I hate that I waited till this weekend because if y'all don't know, they mark everything up to $4.95. All of the $3.95 stuff is now $4.95, which is really weird. I thought that we would see a coupon, but they didn't send no coupons. It would be nice, but you never know. Maybe Sunday a coupon will come. So let's go in this store and see what they have. Hopefully we can find some good stuff. If not, it ain't no big deal because I have everything. I mean, I don't have all of the body care stuff, which is, you know, I'm not a huge fan of Bath and Body Works body care. I like it, but it's not like my number one thing. It's not like my number one thing to get. So if I miss it, it is what it is, you know. So let's go and see what they have. Let's see what they got. Let's go. Now, this isn't the actual store that I wanted to go to. Wait a minute, why they got a sign in the door? I don't know what that sign means. But this isn't the store I really wanted to go to. I really wanted to go to the bigger store, but whatever. Because I got such a late start, and y'all know I don't normally shop this late in the day. I really don't, because normally the store is like super packed. And I did not glue my wig down, but whatever. So let's head into the store. Store closed at 5. Look at that. Today, they close at 5. Okay, y'all, another semi-annual sale video. I think this is like day number 5, maybe. Y'all do see this is the 50% aromatherapy area. For some reason, nobody is buying that cinnamon. I really love that cinnamon scent. I just do. I think that's the best aromatherapy that came out so far this year. But this is a 75% off area. I love that marshmallow pumpkin latte body care. It is so good, so creamy. So if you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend it because it's good. These candle holders, nobody want them, I'm guessing, because 75% off, which make those things like $5, around $5, probably a little bit more, maybe $9. But it's still a good buy. If you see those in your store, why not grab them? Because it's super cheap. Dahlia. I probably should have grabbed that, but I didn't. I really wanted the fine fragrance mist, but they didn't have it in the store. That's what I was looking for, the fine fragrance mist. And as y'all see, I had to dig deep, and they still didn't have any. So these soaps is $3.25. It's a pass for me because your girl got way too many soaps. $4.95. Bath and Body Works. What are y'all thinking? When semi-annual first started, all this stuff was $3.95, and I probably should have bought some of this stuff then, but I didn't. But $4.95, I'm not getting it. I'm not understanding that whole price point thing, this up and down thing. For some reason, people don't like that Midnight Amber Glow. As y'all did see, it's tons of it in these little bins. Fall and Bloom. I love this scent, and for some reason, it don't look like it's doing good in my area because we have tons of it. I think I did grab like this body wash, I do believe. Sorry if y'all hear Damon in the background. Y'all already know he gonna always be loud in the video, so sorry about that. Again, I'm not really gonna do too much cutting and editing on this video because it is late. Today is January 2nd. This video was recorded December 31st, so I'm just trying to get it out. This stuff is 50%, or was it $4.95? I'm not sure, but it was a pass for me. I didn't grab any of this stuff right here at all. I should have got some of this black tie for my son, but it was a pass for me. I'm kind of waiting till the stuff go back down to like the $3.95 price point. This is one of the smaller stores in my area, so they really didn't have a lot of the stuff that I was looking for, but it wasn't a big deal, you know, because I kind of feel like if I find it, I'll find it. If I don't, then it must not be meant to be. So it was a pass. So I finally grabbed this winter, what is it called? Winter cherry blossom. I finally decided to go ahead and grab some of that. Just because y'all been talking about it so much, everybody's going crazy about it. So y'all made me buy that, because I was totally going to skip out on that. But I went on and grabbed it because it was like $4.95. So I said, might as well get it. Why not? These new soap holders, I don't know if I like this. I mean, it's something different, but I guess this will go in like a kid's bathroom. I don't know about this. It's cute, but it's ugly too. I'm just saying. Also, y'all, a lot of times we skip out on some of the Christmas home decor. We just kind of look past it because we're so focused on candles and body care and things of that nature. But check out some of this home decor. This stuff is on sale as well. Even the stuff that you might not think is on sale, just get a price check. You never know. I'm just kind of shocked at how many Christmas candle holders that's still left. I guess people is really not really into it, or either we don't like the price points. I don't know, but don't forget to check out some of that home decor because it is some of them is 75% off. Also, if you haven't checked out some of these previous videos, some of the semi-annual sale videos that I put out, go ahead and check out some of them. Also, shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girls some comments. Let me know what was your treasure find. Did you find any treasure finds on this semi-annual sale? And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.